Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Dare Wear. I'm back with an unboxing of an item that I have been wanting for a while and finally was able to snag it straight from the Louis Vuitton store. So I'm pretty excited about it. It's an early birthday gift. My birthday is August the 2nd. I'm a Leo, and so yeah. I have been looking for the Palm Springs Mini. Obviously if you go on the Louis Vuitton website, it's always unavailable unless you catch it when it's in stock, which I've never caught it. Nonetheless, I obviously have frequented sites like Fashionphile, The Real, Vestiaire Collective more often than the others. But you know, obviously you're going to either pay a little more or you may get an older bag, Palm Springs mini bag, or whatever, you know, luxury bag that you're looking for. And so I was just always going back and forth about that. And so recently I was like, all right, let me just, you know, pull the trigger and go ahead and get one that I found on Vestiaire Collective. The girl wanted like $2,900. She wanted $2,900 for a brand new 2020 Palm Springs mini bag, and I was just like, sheesh, that's like $900 or $900 over the retail price for the bag. And I'm just like, tried to negotiate with her. She would not go any lower than 50 bucks, and I'm like, that's not a negotiation. I don't even know why you had that option up there. But anyhow, I was about to pull the trigger on it, and something told me, you know, go to the store and see what you can find out. So I went to the store. They didn't have any in that store. They were like, just we'll put you on the list. If we get it in stock, we'll give you a call. The next day, LA County malls were closed. So I was like, all right, so that's a dub. And then I was like, wait, just call customer service. That'll be your last straw. Call customer service and see what they say. So I called customer service, got a really helpful rep. He was like, how long have you been looking for this bag? I'm like, for a minute. He was like, all right, well, hold, you know, I'm gonna put you on hold. Let me see what I can find out. Man, he came back with some really good news. He was like, look, I can order the bag for you. I'm like, what? You mean you can order this bag and I can get it from you guys directly? I'm like, perfect. So I was able to order it. I had it shipped to the Rodeo store here in Los Angeles. And I picked it up on Friday, so it only took 3 days. Yeah, 2-3 days. And I picked it up. I had to stand in line, of course, Corona. Had to stand in line. I went in, got my bag, and went home. And now we're here. We are here. I'm super excited about this because I've been looking, and I'm glad that I didn't spend more than I had to. So the retail price is obviously $1,990. Yeah, 19990. Yeah, $2,000 basically. It came to $2,100 with tax, and so to pay $3,000 for it when I got it for the regular price, sis is happy. So yeah, obviously it comes with the Louis Vuitton receipt and all that jazz and return label, blah blah blah. So that's that. And then it came in the dust bag. And I'm excited that I got it straight from Louis Vuitton, in addition to those other things, you know, in addition to the price and all that jazz, because I wanted the one with the new zipper. So that was another thing that was kind of like, man, I really don't want to have to buy it from one of the resale sites because I want to make sure that it has the exposed zipper, which Fashionphile, The Real, and Vestiaire Collective have ones that are the newer versions of the Palm Springs Mini, but you're going to be paying more. So with that being said, I wanted the newer version. The older version of the bag, which I can't remember what year they switched over the zipper, but what I do know is people's zippers were getting stuck, and that's why they changed the design. And I was like, yeah, I don't want those problems. But yeah, the exposed zipper is what I wanted. So it zips and unzips pretty easily, and then it comes with the strap and some little booklet, and then it has an actual like pocket in there, and that's pretty much it as far as compartments. And I'm normally not a small bag person, but I'm gonna be a small bag person. and I'm gonna have to like minimize what I usually carry, which is cool because you just shouldn't carry a lot. I literally have my AirPods, my wallet, my sunglasses, a blade, you know, stuff like that. And then it has this small pocket that you can barely open. But yeah, I absolutely love the design. I actually wore it today because I couldn't wait to film the video. Wore it today, and I wore it more like a crossbody bag instead of a book bag, which is cool since you can switch the straps and do what you want to do. But yeah, if you're looking for like luxury goods, I mean, you know, my first initial thought is to try and get it from the actual place, but places like Fashionphile, Vestiaire Collective, the Real, there's really a ton, but those are the top 3 that I've frequented as far as like searching for things, are pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted to share my bag. I'm so excited about it. My birthday gift, since I can't go anywhere after you Corona. But yeah, I don't really have many luxury bags. I have a good handful, and the majority of them are ones that have been passed down to me, like from my mom, which is cool because those are vintage. But yeah, this was my first bigger purchase, smaller purchase. And so I'm excited about it. So you'll be seeing it often if you follow me on Instagram. So I may do another video basically talking about my older bags, and how I keep them up and things like that. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so that you'll be notified when I do videos, and I'll check you guys out later.